Today we are going to experiment something very unique. We built a small area which is looking like some basements. Concrete floor, underpad, laminated floor on top. So today we're gonna pour water right here where I'm standing, and we're gonna leave that water there trapped for 3 days. We're gonna set up the dehumidifier right here, and we're gonna try to dry this area hopefully within 3 days. In some cases it may take longer. Here we have an infrared camera which will show us if that area is wet or dry. Right now it's showing us that it's all the same color. There is no evidence of water. When we do have water, it'll show us something along these lines. I'm gonna put my dry hand over here. And now it's clearly showing us moisture. My hand is dry, but it's still moist. So it's showing us clear evidence of moist over here. When we're gonna have water, we'll be shown as lines and all kinds of different similar to this elements. Now we're doing another infrared scan, pretending we just showed up on site. So right now we can see everything is red and everything is showing water. So the air mover is going to push air, circulate the moisture, at the same time dry the area, while the dehumidifier is going to capture the moisture and pull the moisture out of here through this hose and extract it right inside a sink or a drain in a typical scenario. This is the water that the dehumidifier was able to collect from the air, from the evaporation of the water, and dispense it right inside of this bucket. Okay, now we're gonna lift the floor and check what's going on underneath, and if the dehumidifier combination with the air mover did the job properly. The top part of the underlayment, which is between the floor and the laminate floor, is also dry. All the additional layers, including the concrete, is dry. So this water could have been like a simple spill or some seepage. It really depends on the floor and what kind of laminate you have. Some laminates are thicker, thinner, and they're made differently. But in this experiment and the floor that we used showed great results. So day number 4, it's absolutely dry, and we all seen how much water we put on top, and the water just seeped right through. So this is the answer to the questions of how many days do we need to dry the floor for. So it's anywhere from 3 days as a minimum and up. But the only way to know if it's dry or not is to lift the floor. So in a way, it's kind of guessing, but this is the result as a proven test.
Oh,